welcome back
Hello.
to our channel. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day, everyone. It is 9 something in the morning. Do you know where we're going?
Si Tita.
Si Tita. You remember?
Tita.
Tita! Pupunta kami ng Cannon Hill because magkikita kami ulit ni Sheena. Bumili ulit si Mami niyo ng suma tsaka longganisa, guys. Yes, you know the drill. And 9:30 kasi after ng school drop-off, dinrap ni Daddy Mike sa Ate Paris sa school kanina. So, may time kami ni Baby Celine na mag-ready. Isn't that right, Langling? Yes. I love you, baby. I love you, my princess. Say hi, Miss Princess.
No, I'm Celine.
You're Celine, are you? Okay. Oh, look who's here, guys. Oh my God. Hi, Anthony. Oh my God, I'm
What a
so
good surprise.
Yes.
I just saw her
God.
in the car park and I was like, no way. I was just working over there, like
Oh, which one?
at the bus station.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was just fixing something at the machine and then I decided to take my break and just park here.
Oh my God, oh my God, what a coincidence. I'm so happy. I haven't seen Anthony for a bit.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, oh my goodness. I'm so
Aw.
happy. So we're in Cannon Hill now. Say hi, Tito Anthony. Huh? Oh my God. Do you like hot or iced chocolate?
Chicken.
What is it? What is it? What is it again? Oh, gingerbread man. How about drink? What drink would you like?
I want to
Yeah, but I'll get you a drink as well.
Get it.
Hot or cold? Huh?
Cool.
Cold? Okay. Alright. Dito na kami sa Gloria Jeans, guys. We're just waiting for Sheena. Andito na. Kakagaling nandito ni Sheena at ni Wayne, guys. Dinanap lang nila ito. Kailangan nilang umalis ka agad. Andito na ang ating suman. So, I ordered 20 pieces ulit. And then, yung longganisa. Oh my God. And tingnan nyo, mataprevious pa si Madam. Binigyan niya ako ng sayote. Galing daw to sa sa garden niya. Sana talaga. Uy, may garden. Mahirap kasi sa, alam niyo yung apartment nakatira, wala kang, backyard. This one, see? Oh my God, it's so good. Sobrang sarap nito sa tinola, guys. Meron na tayo niyan. Sabi niya, next time, papaya na naman daw. Sana may hasyenda. Kakain ko sana itong kaya lang gusto kong initin ba. Mamaya na lang pagka-uwi. Look at this one, hindi naman iniinom ng batang ito. Nak, so we can go, anak. We're gonna go get Louis' toilet. Do you want this or no? Good girl. Yummy. Hi, baby. Boo. Hold on. Boo.
She's going home.
Yes, time check, guys. It's now 10:54 in the morning and while nandun kami kanina sa Cannon Hill Shops, tinawagan ako ni Rose. Sabi niya kasi birthday ng anak ng friend namin. Na supposedly may may birthday celebration sila ngayong Saturday, invited kami. Pupunta kami. But then today talaga yung birthday niya. Sabi ni Rose, wala daw silang gagawin nung ng birthday boy at saka yung mama niya. So, they decided and invited us na pumunta kami, magba-brunch kami. So, from Cannon Hill Shopping Center, dumating kami dito nandito kami ngayon sa labas ng bahay ni na Rose para pick upin siya. and we'll go to Gomsley Hotel together. Isn't that right, Ling Ling? We'll message Tita Rose. We'll tell her we're outside.
Why open the door?
Ito yung sinasabi ko, guys, na mas mabuti pa yung hindi mo pinaplano kasi nangyayari. Uy, lumabas na si Madam.
Oh my baby!
Hello, Madam. Welcome to our dirty car.
Didn't even tell me. You're here. Oh my baby! Hello. How are you? Oh, why are you so gorgeous? Yeah, you're so gorgeous. Are we having lunch? Are you gonna have lunch with me? Yeah, high five. And a kiss. Yeah.
Yes, Helene. Oh my God, our car is very dirty. Sorry.
Look at my car, but it's not here.
Say hi. Oh, it's very nice.
my
Was my friendship.
Friendships, yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Can make sure. What's this?
Well, I went to Mount Tambourine for our 40th,
did.
and we went to the shops. And this is like you put like extra virgin olive oil with bread, and then the daka is the spice you put in the balsamic vinegar. I'll text it to you. So, or you can just
Yeah. Okay.
Barbecue
Cool.
prawns.
Oh, thank you. Oh, the sweetest. Thank you. Ah, hindi ko pa ito na-try before.
I bought. I'll message you, but I bought Turkish bread. Because I dip it sa extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, that one.
Ah, okay. Alright, yeah, no, yeah, different. Mike will love it. Yeah, thank you. Good Kelly playing with Makuladi. Hello! He's the birthday boy. He's one today.
Hey.
I have Ate Paris here now, guys. Kaka-pick up ko lang sa kanya. Nagmamadali kami kasi iniwan ko si Baby Celine kay Daddy Mike sa bahay. Here. Ito naman gusto ipakita kasi kinain daw niya yung kanyang lunch. Gusto niya ipakita na wala nang laman yung kanyang lunchbox. Oh my goodness. It's so hot. I'm sweaty. Show me. Wow, good job. Daddy will be really happy. Ayan, tita, tito, ayan. She ate all of her lunch. That's good. Come
Look
here.
like I've learned something from my friend. Look.
Ah, come on, give me the thing first.
And
The
look.
lid. Thank you.
I learned something from my friend. Look at it.
That's amazing, honey. Alright, sit back on. Get it, go.
Let's go. Cheese. Where is he?
No, it's a video. It's a video.
Where is he?
No, it's a video. You can see. Is that how you post? Where are we going now? Auntie Rose? Okay, well, show me where to go. That way? Celine, you're a cutie pie. We're going to Celine's play group. It's already 10 o'clock. Open sila dito ng 9 pa eh. Kami ni Celine 10 o'clock. Good girl. Look, we're tracing Selene. Hey, good job. Up now, Baba. Up now. Oh, look at you. You're so big. You're so big. You look like a gingerbread man. Look at this. You big girl. Honey? Honey? No hungry. We're going. We're waiting for Auntie Rose. Okay? Tapos lang maglaro, guys. And what's the time now? It's 11 o'clock. And she's saying she's hungry. So, Rose and I and V and the kids, of course, punta kami sa Filipino restaurant dito sa Balimba. Pinupuntahan namin dito. Ay, nakikita ng laruan. Come on, baby girl. Go. No, Lini's acting like she hasn't seen you for like ages.
Yeah.
Say hello. We're gonna have
Are we
some-
ready?
Guys,
We
dito
are
na naman kami. Yup.
Our first time.
Ay, bibili na naman tayo dito ng longselog. Longselog.
Where do you wanna sit? Here? And what will Daddy do? Yeah? For real life.
And then monster is coming. He's at the
Tell mommy, how do you punch the witch? Oh, you are the strongest. Show those muscles. Show me the muscles. Whoa, muscle, strong. Show mommy. Strong muscle.
There was a monster with the bean.
I can hear you.
The monster the bean.
Oh, I tell you, the monster is gone. One in the shredder.
No, it's at the bean.
Oh, okay. Bye bye.
This is the big monster when he's coming out of the door.
Keep going.
And the monster is just at the door.
Sort of like a garlic rice.
Alright, paling mo. Bon appetit. Wow. Makaladi. Here. We're going.
No.
What do you mean no? What do you mean no? Show me your no face. Show me your no face. Ayaw umuwi eh. Hey! Well, Mama's going now. Are you gonna stay here by yourself? Anak! Kamaldita. Kamaldita lang ba yan ni mo, Inday? Muli na ta. Muli na ta.
Stop.
Do you wanna stay here? Huh?
No.
Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
Don't, mommy.
See you.
Stop. I don't want to go.
Luto na tayo ng dinner, guys. It's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. We're having honey and soy chicken tonight. So, while prepare ako, guys, video call kami ng Modrakels. Yeah, earlier today, nakita na naman kami ni na Rose. Kahapon, di ba, nakita din kami. But kahapon was so random. Yun ang sabi ko, guys, mas mabuti pa yung lakad na hindi pinaplano kasi natutuloy. So yesterday as well, nakita ko yung pinsan ko, di ba? Si Anthony. Hindi yun pinano. Pero kapag pinaplano, hindi natutuloy. So, buti pa yung random lang. Like, are you available now? Or yung sa pinsan ko, hindi talaga what a coincidence lang talaga na nagkita kami, nagpark kami next to each other sa labas ng shopping center. What's going on, Pulongkoy? Tingnan niyo ang aking pamangkin. Hi, say hi to Mami Tas Vlog. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Hala, niundang siya ba?
Oh, niundang nga ni Sakila.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys!
Itong pamangkin ko, guys. Ang cute-cute, oy. Lamig ko si On. Oh, no crying. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Say hi, Ma. Ma, hi sa akong vlog.
Hello, hi! Ngapon sa tanan. Good afternoon, everyone!
Awan si Papa.
Hello, din sa vlog. Hey! Yung vlog.
Kaya ang Papa, Incredible Hulk. Naputol pa, naputol.
Makita mo sa vlog. Makita mo na.
Inom pa more, tandaway pa more.
Dato mo ni siya mga daw.
Ay, baka yung hapon pa man tandaway naman Snack nila, tandaway. Yung mga girls natin ay nasa kwarto naglalaro.
Oh, kapal. Mag-subscribe ang mga Ma'am!
Subscribe sila. Subscribe mo aron madagan natong subscribers. Nang sa man sila.